I didn't really plan this video at all. I just kind of got home and I realized, hey, I can make this out of a video. I just got back from Meyer. I wasn't planning to film this, but I'm dyeing my hair. It's not a big change. Like, I'm just making it literally the same color as my hair. Alright, that's great. I've dyed my hair before. I tried to like make myself get highlights. My sister helped me with it, but we used bleach and she put the bleach like all over my head instead of just like strands. So that's what happened. I still left like the bottom. See how it's like lighter at the bottom? You see that? It's like orange. So nice. This isn't really that fun of a video because I'm just making my hair back to normal. So I'm just gonna take this out and then I'll get back to you. Let's just see what I have to do because I don't want to mess this up. I feel like I always mess things up. Wait, this isn't even like hair dye. I'm so dumb. Oh, long lasting color spectrum. Okay, so it'll just make it shiny and colorful. That's fine, right? That's a lot of directions that I'm not going to read, so I'll be right back. Put on premium colorless gloves. This looks white as heck. It smells like stuff. Point away from your face this way and shake. I want to make this the same color as this. Just put this like half up. Guess we're just gonna go for it then. We're just gonna, oh, I need to get my towel. Shoot! I just spilled some of my pants. I could feel it. I should have brushed my hair before I did this, but I didn't. It's really faint. I think I need to add a lot more. Why did I do that? I'm trying to reassure myself, but I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Am I? Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, it's definitely doing something. This is dark. I just got on my phone. I think it's working. Okay, so I have it everywhere in my hair. It's really dark right now. I'm hoping that like it'll wash out. I'll be back at 5:35 and then I'm gonna wash this all out. I'll check back in though. Bye! Now I can wash this out. It looks super dark, but I'm hoping once I wash it out, it'll just be like natural brown, you know? So I'm gonna wash it out and I'll get back to you whenever I like have dry hair because I don't want to come back with it being wet. I'll be right back. Bye! I got out of the shower. This is me out of the shower. And as you can tell, like it's definitely darker. It's like no more orange. I'm just worried about it being too dark. I'll check in. Oh, I just slapped myself in the face. Okay, so I didn't film an outro for this. Again, when do I ever film an outro? This is my hair now. As you can see, it's all one color now. And that's just the top of my head, which I'm happy about. So it definitely worked. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with how it turned out. I mean, I did it for box size. I'll put some before picture and an after picture. Whoa, crazy, I know. Give it a like if you liked, even if you didn't. Give it a like. This is it. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Jolly Ranchers? Really good.